In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the dual audio mode feature, which allows you to connect two wireless Bluetooth earphones, headphones, or Bluetooth speakers of different brands. This feature is limited to certain Samsung phones, and if you have the Galaxy A55 smartphone, the 5G model, you are in luck as it does have this feature. So how you're going to really use this feature is simply you're going to pair up both Bluetooth devices. You'll start off as if you were just simply connecting them like you would always connect any other Bluetooth device. So go into the Bluetooth settings by long pressing it. You'll turn it on from here, and you can also go into the details section to see what's really going on. So you'll go ahead and connect them. I already have mine connected. So once you connect your first earphones or Bluetooth earphones, it could be of any brand, it will connect. It will show you that it's connected for calls and audio, okay? Now, to know that you actually have the dual audio mode, basically you're going to go ahead and connect your second wireless Bluetooth earphones. So for me now, I already have them set. Once I open it up, they will reconnect. And of course, you will just go through your pairing process to connect your second earphones. Now you will see that they're both set as paired devices and both has the words connected, meaning they're both connected and they're both can be used in audio, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is go into the media output section. Okay, so this right here, you see this right here, media output. If this is not there, if you don't see the media output option, you will bring this down a second time and go to the edit pencil icon here, go to that. And when you're in this section here, you will see where it says device control media output, this one right there. Select that and make sure it's set to the one that says show when quick panel is collapsed, okay? So once you have it set as that, that means now when you pull this down once, you'll see the option here. And the reason why you need this, it's because when you tap on it one time, this is where you can control the audio output and have both Bluetooth devices with the audio output there, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and select this one. When you see the circle here, basically you're telling your Samsung A55 phone that you want the audio to come out of both earphones for you, okay? So now we'll go ahead and play the audio here. And of course, I'm not gonna hear the song because we don't wanna get copyright. But to know if it's really working, I'll show you now when you bring up the volume here, you'll see two volume controls. And when you control one of them, all right, if you control one of them, it'll tell you which one it is. So this one is the black one, whereas this one here, the Pro S, is the white one there where my left hand is pointing at right now. And that's where you can go and control the volumes for both of them. But both persons will be able to hear the audio at the same time. It won't be perfectly synced, but you can both hear the same thing you're watching or listening to from the phone itself. So if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.